Hi, my name's Hannah. I just completed the DNA extraction lab a couple of days ago and wanted to give a little bit of an introduction to the lab and why we use some of the materials that we use. So, in step one, we use salt because salt will neutralize the negative charge associated with DNA molecules so that it's able to clump together since, like charges repel. Um, so if the DNA is repelling from each other, then we're not going to be able to precipitate it out of solution. So salt is really important to add to your solution if you actually want to be able to see your DNA. In step six, we add detergent because detergent is an amphoteric. Soaps in general are able to degrade both polar and nonpolar molecules, which means it's going to be pretty adept at breaking down cell membranes and the nuclear membrane and associated proteins. Um, Lipids are nonpolar, and proteins are polar molecules, so we definitely need detergent so that our DNA is actually released from the cell and into solutions so that we can precipitate it out. At step 11, we add papain powder because we want to clean our DNA sample. We want to purify it. We want to make sure that the only thing that we're seeing in solution is DNA. So, papain powder is a protease that does not act on nucleic acids. So, we can be reasonably assured that when we use papain powder to extract DNA, that we're only going to be affecting the histones that the DNA is wrapped around and not the DNA itself. Um, then at step 14, we're adding chilled isopropyl alcohol. This I think is actually really interesting. The isopropyl alcohol disperses all of the water molecules around the DNA and allows the negatively charged phosphate backbones of DNA to form ionic bonds with its surroundings and kind of pull itself out of solution so you actually do get your yield. Um, and in subsequent vehicles, oh my gosh, videos, you will see my DNA yield in step 16. But this is just a little overview since I don't really explain in the act of doing the experiment why I'm doing what I'm doing and what it's all for. So enjoy.